Hi, this is Dieter for SiteManager.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Frontend Editor to build CMS editable components without backend programming. Once again, we're logged into our project and we can see the header component that we built in the previous video. But as you can see, when we click or hover over the component or we want to try to edit it, it's not available. So we cannot do it. It's not the same as the components that we have installed or built previously, where you can simply click on the text or open the form to start editing. So how do we add editing to the component that we built? To do it, we first have to go back to our code editor that we have shown you in the previous video. When we go to our HTML block, you see that you have some options. We can have the code variables for the CMS, which are unavailable at the moment. And we have the Cms Configuration tab. And you can also edit the label, beautify the code, or delete the block. Right now, we need the Cms Configuration. So when we click it, the panel opens. And you have two types of options. You can use snippets, which will be explained in the next video, or you can add input fields to your HTML block. When we search the input fields, you'll see that you have many types of input fields that you can add to the form of the CMS. In this example, we're simply gonna change the hello world with a text field. So we click text fields, and the text field has been added to the input fields list. We can delete it, or we can go to the settings and configure our text field. So we're gonna click the settings right here, and here we can see everything that we can do for our text field. We're gonna start by adding header text to the input label, and we can change the type of input. In this example, we want a single line. You can also have the text area or text editor. You can set a default value. You can make the field required. You can even set a description for the CMS user. You can change how width in the form this input field is, and you can even apply inline editing, which we are going to do. So we're going to select on, and these special rules are the ones that we are not going to care for at the moment. So when we click save, you will see that these options are now available. At the bottom, you will see the CMS variable that has been created to insert into your HTML code. So it says variable created for header text is this one. So when we copy it, we simply copy it like this, and we paste it instead of hello world, and click save. You can always click the Cms Code Variables right here to get a list of all the variables that are available, like the text one that we created right now and all the other ones that have been created. So it's a group, and there's also the system variables and the color variables that you can use within your HTML code, which will be explained in the advanced course. Right now, when we click the preview panel, you will see that hello world is no longer here, but the variable is showing. This is because it's not set in the CMS yet. To do it, we can click edit content right here, and you will see now that there's a form attached to the text of our component. So when we simply click hello world and close the panel, you will see that now the component shows the text again, hello world, but this time it's not coming from our code, it's coming from the CMS. And this is how easy it is to add CMS input fields to your HTML block without programming. I hope this video was helpful, and see you on the next one.